Number 7 says, use the vertical line test to identify graphs in which y is a function of x. So it's actually easier to tell if a graph is a function, or I should say, if a relation is a function, if you see the graph. So we actually don't have to make a mapping like we did with the previous ones. We just need to use the vertical line test, which says the graph is a function if and only if no vertical line intersects the graph more than once. So if I try to make a vertical line that intersects this more than once, that only intersects it once, that's once. Here it gets close, but it actually doesn't intersect either of them. So because there's not a vertical line that intersects it more than once, yes, this is a function. With the second one, that's a vertical line and it intersects it more than once. So you could pick a different vertical line, but you only need to find one to declare it not a function. And then lastly, this one, this intersects it in a couple of places. So this is also not a function.